I'm very happy I can hide my microbleeding. Thank you, Dato.
Hi, I'm Janice. I'm having trouble in hair loss problem for many years, and this affected my confidence level when I'm meeting people. So here am I today to solve my hair loss problem. So why I choose GLOJAS is because I have done research online that Dato Dr. JasG, he has more than 25 years of experience and has done more than 5,000 cases. I'm confident after consulting with Dato Dr. JasG. I can't wait for my SMART FUE.
It's been a year and I'm really happy with the result right now. Really big thanks to Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and thank you GLOJAS.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you.